or welcome back to my channel. So yes, I am in my soccer clothes because I have soccer. Well, so my family, we took a video of my bird squawking, like really loud and slow-mo. I thought it sounded like a kid screaming bloody murder. And my mom thought it was an elephant, and my dad thought, I forgot. Well, yeah. Let me show you my bird. So yeah. Boom, 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 boom. Mango, ta-ta-tango. Mango, ta-ta-tango. Yeah, that like that. Okay, step up. Good girl. So this is her. Oh, that's her. Well, I'm going to show you a slow-mo video of Mango, what she sounds like. So yeah. Whoa. I think she sounds like kids screaming bloody murder.
No, you have PlayStation.
Make sure to comment down below what you think she sounds like. Like this video and subscribe. Bye, guys.